Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device has enough power and a backup. This prevents unexpected data loss. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi so cloud sync finishes, then open Settings. You want to go straight to System or General Management depending on your model. If you don't see System, use the search bar in Settings to find Reset. Make sure your Google account is listed under Accounts because you may need credentials after the reset. Now you're ready to select the reset options. You'll now pick which reset type you need and why. Resetting app preferences clears defaults and permissions without deleting data, while factory data reset restores system defaults and erases personal data. Once you tap Reset Options, read the descriptions carefully and choose the one matching your goal. Make sure to remove or note any external SD card contents and check which accounts will be removed. If the phone asks for a PIN or password, enter it to confirm identity. Before you confirm the reset and allow the device to erase and reboot. This may take several minutes, so be patient. Once it restarts, follow the on-screen setup prompts, sign into your Google account, and restore any cloud backups you need. Make sure to reconfigure Wi-Fi, display, and security settings. If the device gets stuck during setup or asks for previously used credentials, try Google Account Recovery or reboot into safe mode and retry. If problems persist, contact the device maker for account lock assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.